Isang mapagpalang umaga po sa lahat ng nanonood nating live. January 18, 2026, another season na naman ng ating masasaksihan ng ating team, The Xavier School 2015. Ayan, unang kalaban po natin ang San Beda University or SBU ng Paya, if I'm not mistaken, Paya League Season 2026. Good luck to our team and magandang umaga po sa lahat ng parents na kasama natin. Ayan, good morning po sa inyong lahat. At nakita-kita muli tayo sa ating laban, sa ating game. Ayan. We hope na makuha natin ang ating unang panalo sa ating unang laban ngayong araw. Ayan, maya-maya po tayo magsisimula na. Meron pa tayong natitirang 1 minute and 39 seconds para sa pagsisimula ng ating laban. Good luck to our Xavier School 2015. Alright, magsisimula na pa tayo sa ating unang laban. Let's go. Number 77, no good. Offensive rebound by Cheng. Merchant, wala. Rebound. ng mga naka-red team. Oh, traveling violation. To Yao. Yao! Basket! First basket mula kay jersey number 14, Enzo Yao. Attacking the basket at nakalusot si number 18. Arson Beda. Enzo, pass to Merchant. Torres. Torres, no! Rebound, number 10! Basket! That's even. Yao. Oh, steal. Pero naka-recover. Number 18, side step, blocked by Pope. Number 7 will recover, get the shot, no, rebound by number 77. Cheng, outlet pass, steal ng San Beda. Number 7. Number 7. Ayan na, umatake. Binigay. Good defense para sa ating savior. That's a 24-second shot clock violation. Ay, hello po. Happy New Year. Yep, 2015 po. Torres, no! Offensive rebound. Pope, Marchand, kick out, Enzo, jump shot, no good. Rebound by Pope, Torres, and it's a foul. Sorry. Oh yeah, that's jersey number 8, Pope Torres on the free throw area. First shot is good. Second shot for Torres, no good. Rebound by Enzo. Yao, kick out. Mateo for 3. Bang! 3-point para kay Mateo Merchant. Ayan na ang San Beda, number 18. Nabitawan, last touch. Para dito natin, safest goal basketball. And so, to Zach. Zach. Pass to Pope. Oh, sorry, that's Merchant. Tumira sa tres. No. Rebound ng San Beda. Number 7. Tumira. Wala. Rebound. Here comes Pope. Torres. Behind the back. Torres. Bounce pass. Nabitawan na lang. Zach. Pass to Enzo. Wala. Rebound. Makuha ni Enzo. Enzo. Kick out to Pope. Fake. Step back to bang! nice ball movement para sa ating Xavier. 10-2 ang ating talaan. Number 55. Oh, that's at 8 seconds. Violation. Rito ng Xavier. Hand off to Mateo. Mateo. Kick out to Pope. Torres crossover. Pope reverse layup. No good. Rebound by number 14. Ayan ang San Beda. Naipaba ang bola. Number 18. Nagmamadali. Binigay sa corner. Fake. Umatake. Wala. Rebound. Here comes Mateo. Mateo nagmamadali all the way. Wala. Rebound by number 14. Ayun na ang San Beda. Ay. Kinaldag. Kick out to number 7. Jump shot. Ooh. Gets a foul. In the line for jersey number 7 of San Beda. First shot is good. Second shot is good. Then 4 ang ating talaan. Merchant. Pass to Poblador. Hernandez to Merchant. To Miral. No good. Ayan na ang San Beda. Nagmamadali. Number 7. Uy! Tips do. No good. Number 7. Oopsie. Timeout. San Beda. With official score is 10-4. Wala daw pong timeout. Wala rito na ating Xavier. Andres. Pass to Cese. Back to Andres. To Hernandez. Ayan na si Andres binigay. Number 30 with a strong drive na bitawan. Here comes. Oh! That's a trouble. Oopsie, steal. Number 16. Pass to Andres. No. Rebound by number 7. Uy, sayang. Libre na. Naipasa kay number 16. Pass to Pope. Andres. Oy, that's Cesar rather. And that's a 24-second shot clock violation. Oy! Out of bounds. Natika na. Puntos na sana yun. Andres, pass to Gab. Cese with the jump shot. No. Here comes Paulino. Oy! It's traveling. Ayun na ang San Beda. Number 3, derecho, no good. Rebound by Magnus. Paulino. Pass to Texon. What an extra pass, Andres. Pass to Texon. Texon sidestep. Basket is good. Oh, steal by Gob. Sese all the way. Basket. Time out. San Beda. Official score is 14-4 in favor of our Xavier School. Meron lang mo ito natitirang 1 minuto at 9 segundo. Back to the ball game. San Beda basketball. Go. Ayun na, sino tatanggap? Number 24. Oh, hey, kamusta? Good luck, ha? Kick out, pass to Sese. Here comes Gub, crossover. To Andres. Andres to Magnus. Magnus kick out. Gab, jump shot short. Good. Oh, see, that's a 24-second shot clock violation. Na, hindi po tumama sa ring. Time remaining, last 47 seconds. Ayan na, number 18. No good. Rebound by Texon. Zach, may tangan ng bola. Zach, pass to Andres. Andres, crossover. Out of bounds, same ball. Andres looking for his teammate. Uy! Pass to Texon. Texon, bad pass. Out of bounds. Andres. Uy, bounce pass. Magnus. Uy! Sayang, too strong. Shooting the line, jersey number 15, Magnus Paulino. Second shot for Magnus. Basket is good. Last 16 seconds. 16 seconds remaining. Bola rito ng San Beda. Out of bounds. Last 14 seconds. Texon, no good. Last 1.3 seconds. Isang segundo. Bola rito ng San Beda. Oy! Violation tayo. Bola rito natin. Xavier School Basketball. Catch and shoot. Ayan na! What a buzzer beater! Para kay Liao. Grabe yan. Naihabol pa. Ni Ivan Liao. Jersey number 10. And that's the end of our first quarter. Official score 17-4 in favor of our Xavier School. Alright, tayo na na sa ating second quarter. Agawan, number 55. Pass number 18. Number 18, oh. Rebound by Torres. Here comes Pope. Pope. Ayan na. Fake. Pass to Andres. Andres, bounce pass. Magnus! No! Rebound by San Beda. Fake. Oh, block by Enzo. Here comes Liao. Even. No. Nagagawan. And that's a jump ball. Same ball tayo. Bola ng Xavier. Oh! Papiso-piso lang si Evan. Ivan Liao. Oopsie. Number 25. Step back too strong. Makuha ni Enzo. Oh, steal ng San Beda. Number 18, jump shot, basket. 19-6 in favor pa rin sa ating Xavier. Andres, pass to Pope. Back to Andres. To Liao. To Torres. Torres, catch and shoot. Too strong. Ayan na ang San Beda. Number 18 to number 14. Wala. Number 18, no good. Yao to Enzo. No. Ayun na, sa number 18. Oh, good defense by jersey number 9. By Steven Legarda. Wala rito ng San Beda. Number 11. Number 7, catch and shoot, basket. And 19. Pope, pass to Ivan. Pass to Pope. Ayan na, Mateo, too strong. Rebound by Stephen. Nabitawan, Gab. Jump shot. Oh, sorry, that's Ivan. Liao. No good. Ayan na, San Beda. Number 14. Ayun na nga, nakasagot. Ang San Beda. Enzo, catch and shoot. Basket. Oy! Di daw good yun. Munti ka na. Pasa niyo muna kay referee. Ayan na ang San Beda. Number 18. Matangan na bola. Pinasa. Oy! Out of bounds. Xavier School Basketball. Torres, pass to Mateo. To Mateo. Oh! That's a stepping on the line. Number 3. Steal. Pope. Ayan na. Too strong. Oh! Stephen Legarda. And 1. Basket count. Pass count for a 3-point play for Stephen Legarda. Ayan, shoutout po sa pamilya Legarda, especially kala Sir Benito and Sir Idol Ben Legarda as well. Basket. Sa kanyang mga pamangkin at apo. The new generation ng Legarda family. Oh, gets a foul. Number 7, looking for his teammate. Steal by Mateo. Here comes Mateo. Mateo, basket. Lods. Idol. Oh, another steal. Mateo. Back-to-back basket para kay Mateo Merchant. Steal by Stephen Torres all the way. Basket. And that's the end. Oh, sorry. Timeout. San Beda. We should score 28. Oh, correction, 30 and 10. With the time remaining at 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Okay, back to the ball game. San Beda basketball. Uy, number 7. Oy! Grabe naman ang isolation nun. Nakalusot si number 7. Bonus shot for number 7. No good. Rebound by Torres. Pope. Pass to Mateo for 3. Wow! Rebound. Mateo Merchant. Isa yan sa mga pinalaki rin ng Chachago Basketball League. Mateo Merchant. Oy, steal! By Chen. Stephen. Oy! That's a jump ball. Minutes and 40 seconds. Number 7, fake crossover, gets the 3, no good. Pass to Texon. Zach to Enzo. Oh, that's trouble. By Mateo. Ayan na, tumatakbo. 3 against 1. Mateo to Enzo. Enzo, too strong. Rebound by number 11. Recover. Pass to Mateo. Wala. Rebound again ni Enzo. Enzo. Oy! Gets a foul. Ay, jersey number 21. That's Liam Chua. Basket para kay Liam Chua. number 2 for Liam Chua. Out of bounds. One side step. Oh! Basket count and one. By jersey number 13. Oh, sorry, that's 18. Shots, oh. Exit rebound. Nasa corner, fake. Oh. That's a foul. Same ball, same here. Here comes Liam Chua. Another foul for Chua. Oh, correction. Violation. Ayun na ang San Beda tumatakbo. Tumira. Nakalusot na naman ang San Beda yun. Texon. Ayan na si Texon. Oy. Liam will recover and get the shot. Ayan na, nagmamadali ang San Beda. Number 55. Oy. Last 13 seconds. Ko. Texon. Liam gets a trouble. Time remaining. Last 5.9 seconds. Ayun na, San Beda. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that's the end of our first half. Official score 16-37. At magbabalik tayo para sa second half. Pagkakat muna tayo for the meantime at magbabalik para sa second half. Lamang tayo ng 21.